Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by fixing the source, the contact. Open Contacts, select the person, and tap Edit, then add phonetic first name or phonetic last name to spell how you want Siri to speak it. Do this now. It's the most reliable way to control pronunciation. Once done, save the contact and consider adding a nickname field for a shorter announcement. This matters because Siri reads the stored fields. Accurate phonetics produce clearer spoken names when calls arrive. Next, make the phone actually speak names. Go to Settings, tap Phone, then announce calls and pick Always or Headphones and Car depending on when you want audio. Make sure Siri's language and voice in Settings right arrow Siri and search match the phonetic cues you entered. Mismatched accents can alter pronunciation. Also enable voice feedback so Siri will speak even on silent. Once configured, incoming calls should trigger a spoken name based on the contact fields you set earlier. Finish by testing. Call your iPhone from another device and listen for the spoken name. If the pronunciation still sounds wrong, return to the contact, tweak the phonetic spelling, and save. Small changes often fix syllable stress. If nothing plays, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't blocking announcements, that Bluetooth isn't routing audio elsewhere, and that Announce Calls is set correctly. Finally, restart the phone if needed. Rebooting often resolves lingering Siri or audio routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.